that you all are quite fine, and once again I warmly welcome all of you in this video from your textbook First Flight. Students, over here we will discuss about your poem The Ball Poem, composed by, written by John Berryman. Over here we are going to discuss about the poet John Berryman and theme of the poem The Ball Poem. It is one of the most important poem from your textbook. And firstly we will know about poet, then theme of the poem, and in next video we will know about explanation and deep meaning of this poem, The Ball Poem. So first of all, John Berryman, his complete name, full name is John Allen McAlpin Berryman. We can also pronounce it as John Allen McAlpin Berryman was an American poet, scholar, and he was born on 25 October 1914 in McAllister, Oklahoma, US, United States, and he was died on 7 January 1972 US. John Berryman was a major figure in American poetry, and in second half of the 20th century he was widely known as a major poet, as a significant figure in literature of America, in American literature, and he was also leading poet and key figure in the confessional school of poetry of US, United States. Means he was also a member of confessional school of poetry of United States. John Berryman won many prizes, and he occupied great place in American poetry as he won Bowling Prize. Also he won Pulitzer Prize, and he won National Book Award for Poetry in America, United States. Students, his best known work is known as The Dream Songs. It is a collection of poems, Dream Song, The Dream Song. It was published in 1969. It was a collection of poems. Nearly 385 poems are included here in this collection of poetry, The Dream Song. And from there we are going to read our poem, The Ball Poem, from The Dream Songs. It is a collection of poetry. Apart from it, now we will discuss about theme of the poem. Actually, the poem is about losing something or somebody, and which we love and learning to grow up. Actually, this poem, the Bal poem, portrayed our love, our affection towards our loved one, someone or something. जब हम किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति से बहुत अधिक प्यार करने लगते हैं, मोहब्बत करते हैं, और एक दिन जब वो हमसे अलग हो जाता है, बिछड़ जाता है, दूर हो जाता है, तो उसका क्या गम होता है. Which types of melancholia increase in our mind, and what do we experience, what do we think, what do we imagine if someone or something moved away, go away, passed away from our life? Then what do we feel, what do we imagine when we lose someone or something? Here a young boy has lost his ball, and after losing his ball, what does he feel? What does he imagine having lost his ball? यहाँ एक यंग बॉय जो है अपने बाल को खो देता है, अपने गेंद को खो देता है, और उस गेंद के खो देने के बाद, गेंद से अलग हो जाने के बाद, what does he experience? What does he feel? वो क्या महसूस करता है? What do you feel when you lose something which you love more than others, or when you lose your loved one, things or person, doesn't matter, then what do you feel? तब आप क्या महसूस करते हैं जब आप अपने किसी प्रिय वस्तु या व्यक्ति को खो देते हैं? Here a poet has portrayed a young boy as an example that a young boy has lost his ball, and then what does he feel? And when you lose someone in your life, suppose that if you lose your loved one, loved whom you love too much in your life, who is your best loving creature or things in your life, तो आपके जीवन में सबसे प्यारा जो वस्तु या प्राणी है, and when you lose, when you move away, when that things go away from you, that person go away, passed away from you, then what do you feel? आप क्या महसूस करते हैं? यही इस कविता में मुख्य रूप से बताया गया है कि what is the meaning of losing something, what is the understanding, what is the knowledge, what is the epistemology to lose or to lose. जीवन में खो देने का क्या अनुभव है, क्या ज्ञान है, and how to increase, how to go forward in life after losing something or someone. किसी को खो देने के बाद, किसी वस्तु के दूर हो जाने के बाद हम किस तरह अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ते हैं, that has been shown taught in this poem, the Bal poem. बहुत आसान नहीं है समझना. When we will try to understand line by line explanation, then we can understand easily. But focus on, pay attention that what is the epistemology of loss that has given in a final stanza of this poem. And here some notable point I would like to express in front of you, that the theme of the poem is the life is precious. The theme of the poem is life is precious and should not be wasted, should not be destroyed by us, because life, first of all, life, जीवन बहुत ही कीमती है, बहुत ही प्यारा है. किसी के आने या किसी के जाने से जीवन को हम बर्बाद नहीं कर सकते, because it is one of the precious gift given by God, the God. Life has to be lived. जीवन जीने के लिए है, and I would like to suggest that इस जीवन को खूबसूरती से जीना चाहिए, शौक से जीना चाहिए, आनंद से जीना चाहिए। एंड लाइफ कैन बी लिव्ड पर्पसफुली, फ्रूटफुली, प्लीजिंगली, हैप्पीली। ऐसा न हो कि जीवन उदास और ब्लैक एंड बैरन बन जाए। जीवन को उद्देश्यपूर्ण बनाना चाहिए, जीवन को महत्वपूर्ण बनाना चाहिए। ओनली व्हेन वी स्टैंड अप एंड कम आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन। हाउ कैन वी डू इट? व्हेन वी विल कम आउट फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन, फ्रॉम sorrow and sadness, then we can move forward in happiness of life, in pleasure of life, and we can make up our life full of happiness, joy, ecstasy. Okay, so we will discuss about summary and further explanation of this poem in next video. Till then, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Thanks.